Hey guys, Alex here from RoboFX Learning. In this video, I want to show you how to get started even if you don't know anything about Forex or Forex robots. The first thing you need to do is to create an account on a broker. I choose Hanko Trade because it allows you to use 500 leverage, which is a great thing if you are using small volumes. It will allow you to go on a higher margin. So you go and register, it's free, you don't have to add any payment solutions or anything like that. You can use it as demo to prove that the robot is working fine for you, and you should test every robot that you're finding on the internet. If you want to test other solutions as well, make sure you test them on demo accounts to show you that it offers the results that the creator featured. So after you log in, you're going to see this dashboard. You click on Add Demo Account. You choose ESCN or ESCN Plus. You can see the difference on their website. I'm not going to discuss too much about that. I use the USD and 500 leverage. I choose an amount of $2,000. Try to be as close as possible when you're trying solution. If your back test was with $2,000, try doing the same, try matching the same amount when opening an account. Don't go crazy having $100,000 as demo and start with $1,000 with a live trade, because the $100,000 will provide you different results than what you can do with 1,000. With the 1,000 you can lose them all when it goes in a drawdown, but with 100,000 you can have higher margin until you get closed out. So I'll choose to open account, and it will provide you the trading ID and the password that you have to use when you connect with the Metatrader. I recommend using the Metatrader offered by the platform. This ensures that the right servers are set up into the platform. You can use the default Metatrader 4 that you can find online, but I always use the platform provided by the broker. So choose to download it. Go through a fast installation. If you are planning to use multiple accounts, you should be aware of this setting right here, that you can change the installation folder. You cannot have multiple accounts logged in at the same time in one Metatrader platform, but nothing stops you having multiple Metatraders and have those set with different accounts. So just change the name of the installation. I just add 2 at the end there. Click on next. And then finish the installation. You can see some programs right here. Feel free to look around, but as I mentioned before, try testing on demo accounts first, because you'll see a lot of solutions being advertised that they will make you money, but when you test them, it won't. Okay, so we'll use the trading ID and the password. On the previous step, you had the Hanko Trade demo already selected, so make sure you have that. If you want to go live, select the other server. Alright, so now you're logged in into the platform. One more thing you have to do with Hanko Trade is to make sure you have the right symbols shown right here, because default you have the grayed out symbols, and if you are not paying attention, you will say that the platform is not working or something like that. You'll see that if you try to place an order, there's no symbol right here. And there are 2 options to show the other symbols. It's either show them all and you will see all the symbols, or go into the symbols. Make sure you select the forex HKT and find your symbol there that you want to trade. They have their own suffix. I'm not sure what is the reason, maybe to differentiate them from other brokers or something like that. Euro USD. Right click on it and create a new chart. I'm going to close the others so they are not in my way. And you can also hide the rest. Right. So you are now left with the proper symbol that you can actually trade. You can see it here. You can place the volume and open new trades. That's about it. Setting up the Metatrader 4 with the broker. In the next video, you're going to see how to install the Easy Scalper and get started. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you on the next video.